Hello everyone, welcome back to multi-channel YouTube services and entertainments. This is just a quick video review and test this toy drone. It's called UFO for indoor only. The drone has sensors built in. When get close to objects it changes direction. This is USB charging port. Press up, hold to turn on. Press down, hold to turn off. You can also use your hand to maneuver the drone. Ages 8+ and we're stating details about it, and we decided to commit a flying test outside. We know this drone for indoor only, but we just want to see if it can fly outdoor also. And we didn't know this drone decided to suicide later at the end of this video. To perceive how efficient it would fly. It worked good all in all and flew pretty well. But what we didn't expect was the fact that the drone toy does not have an operator, so it was just hovering around seemingly. Soon after, the drone took turbulence and made its way to the street, in which conceding of speeding vehicles, and the drone took place in the center of the road and hit the bumper of the car, so the car stopped. And the driver did not know that the drone was on the ground, and the drone was like very close to the tire, and the driver just kept moving, and we sadly heard the crash cracking of the drone and its components. We retrieved the drone from the road and we concluded that it would never be fixed. So that was a very tragic experience we never expected. Thank you so much for watching. Please support our channel. Subscribe, like, share, and all the best.